Hello guys, my name's 350 Offroad Outlaws, and today we are going to take a look at this brand new crawler that they have just added into Offroad Outlaws. Now, I bought it with my own money, but if you got it when the update came out, you've got that much time left. Just quite a while. And also, now there are trailers. Now, I haven't played this game for a while, so you can correct me if I'm wrong. But it looks like the same trailer. Sort of. It looks like the same body trailer, just different colored. It's a very similar build. But anyways, we've got all this new stuff in here. Well, it's not that much. There are no new cars since the last update. Well, the last time that I uploaded a video. If you didn't know, I am actually using my dad's account because my account off my other phone my other phone got broken, so I'm playing off my dad's account because apparently that's the only one that works. Anyways, this is my friend talking. So, I'm not sure exactly what's so special about this. No, I have done a couple of upgrades on it. It's fully upgraded there. It has a blower on it instead of a turbo. It doesn't have tracks, which we can put some tracks on here in a little bit. Can't wait for diesel, apparently. I don't agree. But that's the game. I'm not going to argue. Now, in probably the next couple hours, I'm going to upload a video of an Anaheim Stadium in California, US. I went to the Supercross race thing. I'm not much into the Supercross stuff, but since I went to it, I'm going to customize a motorcycle. It looks like one of the race bikes. Let's go into the garage. Alright, so we don't have that many vehicles in here. Alright, here is the motorcycle that my dad has, which is very dumb looking, but it's what my dad likes. So whatever. It irritates me because most of his builds have different sized rims. So first things first, I'm going to make these wheels small. Whoa. Oh man, that looks so weird. It looked like it was part of the rim. Whoa. That looks weird. Rear end of this would be a drag bike. Right, so obviously I'm not going to leave with the small wheels. I'm going to widen them up to about there. Let's make them bigger. Big motorcycles have about that big of a wheel. Front end. Let's make the front wheel super wide for no exact reason. Alright. Now, since it is a motorcycle, I am going to adjust this to pretty big. But I am going to change it out the spokes. So, I'm going to have it about that much. Assuming. Now, the rear end, they don't have as much, but the rim size is a little bit fatter. So it's gonna look somewhat like this. Oh, the front end doesn't need to be that wide. The width. That looks about dirt bike width. Back a little bit fatter. Alright, now let's head on over to here. Suspension. Just give it full suspension because it looks enough. Change suspension. There's nothing. Dirt bike suspension. That's all they can define it as. Dirt bike suspension. Alright, so now we're going to head on over to the customization. No, let's go to the upgrades first. To see if this thing, alright, so it's fully upgraded. Let's make it diesel. Darn. Nothing can be diesel in this game. Why not? Real life, you can install tracks on a motorcycle. Well, not tracks, per se. Uninstall turbo. Alright, I uninstalled it. Uninstall. Install. I don't know. Just put turbo. Cause you don't want to get thrown off the motorcycle. PPP. Price. Why? Dumb ads on the TV. Alright, now let's head on over to the customization. Mud guard. Yeah, that looks about correct. No, I'm joking. Body type. Now, since I'm going for a racing body, I'm not going to do that whatsoever. I'm going to do regular body. Exhaust pipe, what type is it? Oh gosh. Alright, I think that would be good, except I would want dual pipe up here. What the heck? Or I could just leave it like this. Now, I'm not exactly sure what this is. So, are these the ones that it comes with? Oh gosh, that's the one that it comes with. Alright. Yeah, let's do that. Fork shield. Since it's going to be a race bike, I would put a cover on there, but it doesn't look like my dad bought that one. So I'm just going to leave it with the headlight. Headlight color. Green. Power pack, of course I need one. Really? Alright, let's go in here. Clear. I am going for a race bike look. I'm not exactly. Okay. Got a little bit too close there. I would put stripes on it myself. Alright. Left to right stretch. Is that how you do it? Front back alignment. That looks good in my opinion. Let's do red. I like that. The wheels, obviously I'm not going to leave it with paddles. I'm going to put some wheels on here. Stuck ones. Don't worry, there is no earthquake. That's just my friend making pancakes, I think. Alright, so that looks about correct. Now, I do kind of like this paint scheme that my dad has on here. So I'm going to kind of leave those rims like that. Alright, now I'm going to go here. I'm going to change up these colors. Obviously not going to be red. I'm not sure what color it should be. I could do red. Well, for the 250 bikes, blue came first place. So I'm going to go straight to blue. Only because blue won. So this looks good. and the blue was a Yamaha motorcycle. So I think this looks about good for me. I'm gonna put some more stripes. Huh? I did. Yeah. Anyways, so now we have this car. I am going to lower the bike just a little bit because this looks a tad bit unrealistic. And we do it about this. If you guys ride bikes, tell me what type of bike you ride. I ride a 2007 Suzuki DRZ 125. Yeah, it's a small bike. It's a 4-stroke motorcycle. It's not that big, but that's enough to get me around pretty fast. So I think this would look about correct in real life. The front end a little bit higher. I think my bike has a little bit more travel in the front. Let's do it about there. A little bit taller in there. Alright, that looks about correct, at least for me. Alright, so now I'm going to go add some more stuff to the bike. I'm not sure if they have patched this low glitch in here, which I need to go to customization. Now I wish you could get around the menus a little bit faster, so it wasn't always saying loading. Alright, so it sort of looks like they did patch it. I'm still going to test it out. Alright, so I need to go here. You could also make it pink. Alright, I'm gonna move this thing up there so I don't hit it. Alright, so, well anyways, I'm gonna do a full. Let's go with the nice, I'll go with the nice gold. Alright, so they did patch it. So you will have to spend your gold. Darn. I didn't want to break my bank. Apply. Thing I can't apply regular. Alright. Well, I'm going to remove it like this. So the bike's normal. Now I'm just going to layer the colors on top of each other. Alright, so we got this. I'll pull it back. Let's have more line in there. Alright. For me, this looks good. Something along the lines like this. Like that red. That looks good. Alright, let's go on over here. Alright, so that looks good. Don't want to do that. I want to do... I think this would look cool. Something like that. I'm not sure if I like this though. Kinda looks cool though. Try to stretch a little bit more. Just poke it. I can make the whole bike red, but that's not what I was going for. Let's change it to like, oh, that, I actually think this looks kind of cool. Now I just need to find a good color. I don't think green is a cool enough color for a motorcycle. Don't judge me, but that's just my opinion. Also, you get the little red indent there. For Yamaha, I'm gonna go with a nice yellow. Nice bright yellow. Alright, let's do that. Alright. No, I'm not sure what clear layer means, but I guess it's just to not put it on your bike. And let's do something like transparent, like almost nothing. That's front, back. That looks ghostly. Ooh. Let's just do a straight up black. Alright, that looks pretty cool. I'm liking this. Let's do that.
We have no more pancake mix. Yeah.
I think this looks pretty cool. Alright, so I'm going to install this to stable it.
Why didn't you run syrup?
Alright, so now let's keep going. Alright, so my nobody used to have stripes on the back. My other one.
And we're not gonna have any.
Alright, so I'm going to load this thing up on the trailer. So then we got both of the brand new things. And we'll see if the motorcycle can pull trailer. This may look fun. Well, hopefully it'll be fun. Alright, so it looks like it's letting me go. That's a good thing. Free roam. I'm just going to go. I mean, that's kind of a rock crawler looking track. So let's go to the desert. I can also test it out up on other. What, you think I don't like honey? Honey's awesome. Yeah, I like honey. I don't know about on pancakes, but I can try it. Oh gosh, no. No, I didn't bring my trailer. Alright, so apparently I'm going to leave. And hopefully I can mute all this loud noise from the cars. Alright. Now we're heading on back. Obviously I cannot take the motorcycle. And apparently I can't put it on the trailer either, which is a big minus. I'm not sure. Hopefully you could load a quad on there. I'm not sure about that either. But let's check a Jeep looking thing in a Jeep. And I know this Jeep can pull. So let's go to the desert. Now this time, let's stay in there. Except darn, I forgot to turn off the. Yeah. Ooh, that's online. Hello, people. I will be pet friendly. Alright. So we got a trailer. We have a map. Like usual, we have our headlights. Now let's. Oh wow. That trailer's trying to flip me over. Alright. Now let's go. Jump first person, as she does. Alright, so I'm going to take it over to what I call the rock hammers. The hammers is I think it's over by Apple Valley, California. And yeah, United States too. United States, Apple Valley, California. I'm not sure how to say that, but yeah. I got the hammer because it's a rock climbing thing. I don't know, does it near somebody? Now, the real king of the hammer thing, it is in the sanded. That's where my quad got sanded. Because a big wind gust got my quad in our trailer. And the truck and everything that we had besides the inside of the trailer. Well, actually, the inside of the trailer was also sanded out because somehow it got through the windows, like through the seals or whatever. Yeah, it wasn't my funnest trip. I thought the my thing doesn't seem like it would want to go off that. I don't know the other versions of this game. You had to add to press help. That's why I didn't play a lot on Big Off-Road, but I spent a little bit of money. I'll never spend money on that game ever again. Yes, they haven't gotten back to me. I've emailed them quite a few times. And yeah. So you cannot do that. Unless you're just wasting money if your phone breaks or anything like that. So that over there. So apparently disconnect really just like that. You got options right on the right there. Now, you guys don't know where this is. This is exactly right where I am. Up on top of that hill. And I call it. Now we got a new vehicle. Just like a Jeep. Well, I'm assuming it's supposed to be a Jeep because of that piece right in there. It's exactly like the other Jeep. Okay, let's see what light up. Alright. Yellow headlight. Older style. I can change that. Alright, so let's go on up this hill. Alright, I'm going to do this. Alright, let's see if we can do this. I'm going to do the actual climb. Normally I would just take the side of the road, which is up on the dirt. I'm going to climb this truck though. It's not that bad at climbing. This is my first time driving up on here. No walker. High gear. Get the speedometer. Full health as usual. Now I haven't found a vehicle that really can go up this. So I take that. I have tested other vehicles. Now I need the walkers because it doesn't want to go. Because somehow I got the checkpoint. Let's drive on up this. Alright, it made that fairly easy. Hit this. Get down here. Drive up this. Need low gear again. doesn't seem like this truck likes this little part right here. But it will make it. And let's keep going. Like this. Bar lag right there. At least on me. Because somebody just let in a game called Quick Smoke 475. I'll thank you guys for watching my videos, and you need to subscribe if you'd like. I don't need you to, but I'm humble, maybe? I'm not sure. But, you don't need to subscribe to my channel. I'm fine with, like, no subscribers. Right, let's go. Low gear. Let's get it on up here. I got 53 seconds. That's pretty good. Right. Anyways, this truck did it very easily. It didn't need much help getting up the hill. It did really well. Alright, so you look under here. I like the way it steers, but the steering rod does not work. And then we go on around here. It looks pretty cool. You can see more of the motor right there. But there is a blower on this thing. I have different colored shocks. I'm not sure why I did that, but yeah, I think it looks pretty cool. Now it's time to go back down the hill. Too bad I'm not getting paid to go down the hill. The reason why I haven't been uploading video game videos is because my robot that holds my other phone, it disconnected from the controller somehow, and I'm not sure how to reconnect it. I'm not no tech person. This is just little easy stuff. It has a little bit extra bounce to it, but besides that, I think it's pretty good. I'll show you what setup I have in this vehicle. Let's go. Right, so you got a big drop off there. Let's go down this. I do like the way that this vehicle rides down these bumps. And it looks like it's pretty good. I like it. I'm liking this brand new card that's uploaded into this game. So now I head on over here. This is a pretty new car. Pretty snazzy. So, see how it does on the flex. And there are some dumb commercials. Alright, so I think I'm good at flexing. No, I don't want you to fall off. But that's a lot of stretch for the shocks. I think it's really good that they implemented that into their video game. I could not make the recording, but there was a employee for outlaws in a session at the stunt park. He was asking for ideas. Somebody said that they wanted like a semi and a trailer. I was just wondering if I could get my info back off my tablet, and it's also broken. Because I also spent a couple bucks on that game too. Alright, so let's look at this wax. I never made it for my tablet. Okay, so it's not even compressed all the way. But this is a good amount of wax. This is what my book is. It's all very good. The wheel, I don't believe it is all the way off. No, theoretically it is. This thing should flex a little bit more just like this. Well, anyways. Right, so now we're going here. Now let's see how good this thing is at tape absorbing. Oh, pretty good actually. They bounced and do nothing. Just landed. Right, so let's head on over here. I'm going to fly up the hill. Alright, pretty good at turning actually. Again, the other camera. Alright, let's hit this hill in high gear. Alright, it's pretty good at turning. This is where a lot of people die in their cars because they do it. Okay, I guess. Apparently this takes a full hell champion, I guess. Something like that. Oh, something in the world, huh? Yeah. Alright, so this is even one of the harder hills. This is just a steeper hill. Now let's go to the a bigger hill, which is upstart, which is over here. I just restarted back at the mud pile. Where's mud pile? No. There it is, mud pile. Mud pile is just over here. It's pretty good, like this. So... What? Planting? Sure, I guess. Let's go. We're going to drive off here. And go on up this hill. Let's fix the house. It's $64. I'm not gonna... It looks good just like the last. Right, so... It looks like it wanted to do it the first time. And I tried to set up this right here. Amazingly, it did it, but I think it can go up right there. So, actually, I'm going to head on over this way. Hopefully without flipping over too much. Now let's put it on this hill here. So, back up. And this is a normal spot where I would take the hill to see if the vehicle will go up the hill. But obviously, since this one made the other hill, it's going to do this one fast. So I gotta find a very steep part of this hill to try to go up. How about that one right over there? Oh, another easy spot is just right here. This is another easy spot to go. And stuff. He doesn't like me. He's leaving. So now let's head on up this hill. At this angle over here. Not that much of a big difference, but it's a little bit more of a hill climb. Something that alright. So at the moment, I'm gonna head on up the hill. Alright, it's not doing it, but I'm sure it can. I have much faith in this vehicle. Alright, maybe I should leave it in low gear and then pop it right into high. Just as I'm about to start heading up the hill. I'm going to do it from this angle. Well, let's do it from the other angle, right here. And I can get it real nice more. But alright, it's doing it. Yeah, I do it. Alright, it did it. I'm not sure of any other spots where it might be hard for this thing. I want to get to a point where it's impossible for this thing to make it up. And I'll try even harder to make it up. Let's find somewhere where it's hard to go up. Like, yeah, maybe right there. I kind of like that. Yeah. Let's do this one right now. Right there. I can't speak. Wait, no. Isn't this the same one that we just did? Looks like it. I don't know, but let's give it a shot. Yeah, this is the one that we just did. We thought we could find the other side. Alright, it didn't like this one as much. Well, anyways. I'm just spending too much time trying to figure out the specs on this vehicle, so I'm gonna head back over here. Stop the trailer. Oh. Let's check this out. Let's check out the trailer. Now, the trailer is pretty cool looking. Well, how can a trailer be cool? But alright, so I'm calling it too much, but that's the trailer here. So what I've noticed though is that the little jacket in the front. Is that when you connect or disconnect, like where exactly does the jack go? Like it appears, disappears. I'm not exactly sure what that's about. Then we got the items. We got a friend here. I have no idea who he is. But yeah, so but we have a put emoji. Question mark. Why do I have a question mark? Alright, let's see if the suspension works good. Alright, it's not too bad. I mean, less realistic than anything else in this game, but also about the flipping over. That's another thing that's super unrealistic in this game. But it looks like the ride kind of bouncing along. Like your right here. It looks like it's swinging. Alright, so that's when you don't mess up. took a fall. Let's see what else we can do. Like, so theoretically, you cannot do any of this wheel drive. You probably shouldn't be able to do it theoretically in four-wheel drive, but that doesn't matter. Alright, so flipping over as usual. It's going pretty good though. Like for being in high gear. But I don't think it has to do with how heavy your boat is. Now, theoretically, this should also be much more light. What I have on my trailer should be more light than the Jeep itself, because this is like a full like steel body Jeep. That's like probably a titanium or something, with just some metal bars holding it together. So we have some friends coming in. I don't know them, but apparently they're friends. I can't stand but looking at all the bouncing that the actual truck does. Lag. On your end, but I can't stand how much bouncing the rear end has. Or even the front. I like how realistic they've gone with how the ride sits on the trailer. But I think it's almost time to eat breakfast. So until next time. But yeah, my name's FordF350 in the video game. Subscribe, leave a comment, or leave a like. Or don't leave anything. Whatever.